Hi guys, Markeisha here. I'm back with another video. Today's video I will be featuring a baby girl collection that I am working on. Right now it seems like everybody around me is pregnant or having babies, and so I want to get a jump start on some gift ideas, or some gifts actually, that I can give to those around me. With us social distancing right now, it's kind of impossible to meet up and actually have a baby shower or participate in a baby shower. So I am trying to get creative on things that I can actually send in a mail that will bring a smile to the new mothers that are expecting. So let me share with you the paper that I use, which I am so excited to share. This paper here is by First Edition, and it's called It's a Girl. This paper is so precious, guys. I'm gonna do a flip through so I can share with you guys the paper that's in this line. I love it. I actually think I know it. I'm gonna pick up another pack. I know. But I love it, and I can really see myself making projects with this paper. It is double-sided. As you know, I have two granddaughters, so I know that I will get use of this paper. And guys, if you hear some children playing in the background, my neighbors' kids are outside, and I love to hear kids playing, so hopefully you guys do as well. So this is just some cuttables, mainly tags there, and I love it. You can easily use those to embellish your projects really quickly without a lot of fussing. And this paper was super cute. I used this paper in my projects, so look at that, so gorgeous. And then it has this stitched here. I love all this patchwork. I love this, and let me tell you, this paper is super thick, guys. Okay, so that's the paper. Now, I only used 2 dies. Can you believe I only used 2 dies in this collection? So let me share those very quickly. And I just used this die here. This is the Magnolia Doohickey die, and this is that double bow there, and that's the only die there. And then this die here, I don't remember the name of it, guys. It is actually a die by that I picked up on AliExpress. It has lots of stitching to it, and it also has this little piece here, and I want to say, don't hold me to it, but I want to say this was a slider window type card that I actually picked up. So I'm gonna jump in with the first project, and right now the slimline cards is all the craze. It is back. I keep saying all of the retro things just come back on it, but I had to create one. I made a little shaker, guys. Don't want to make you dizzy, but it is functional. I cut this bow out from my silhouette, and let me tell you, you guys will be seeing that bow for sure. I am in love with that bow, so you guys will see that. It's very quick to do. You can make multiple bows when you cut out on your die cut machine, so I love it. So here is the fun slimline card. It is absolutely still empty. I have not added anything in the middle of it. And this paper cardstock that I use is Anna Griffin. It's the shimmer pink paper that I absolutely love as well. And so I'm gonna just leave it blank so that I can, when I decide to gift it to someone, I can grab it and then I can put a personal message in it. But I love it. I added a little pink glitter little centerpiece there, and this card is so cute. Now, I cut this out on my silhouette as well. It is held together by a Velcro, and I let the paper just work for itself and some of the die cut. I just fussy cut this out of the paper, actually cut it out, and then I used some glitter and just added some more glitter to the butterflies there. And then I put this sticker here from another collection, congratulations on your new arrival, and then this banner that says sweet girl. And so I can just slip this in here and then gift this to someone. So this was really fun to make. I am going to be making some more slimline card sets, so be looking out for that coming soon. All right. So we will move right along to the next one. Again, these are all gift ideas that you can use to send out. All right, so the next one is this gift card holder. Now I know that there is a die out there. I believe it's by Anna Griffin as well, and it is a little purse gift set. But I cut this out of my silhouette, and again, that's that bow, guys. I told you you're gonna see it quite a bit. I put a little sticker there, pink sticker that says girl, and then I used the same paper that I used here, that shimmer brown paper or tan paper. That's another Anna Griffin paper, to accent the little purse, and I just kind of double layered it several times. This paper again is so pretty. It doesn't take much. As you can see, it has some shimmer to it, so it doesn't take much to embellish, and I wanted to just keep it really simple and really cute. So I just also added some Velcro with this one here, and it's totally functional, so I can add a gift card if I wanted to here. So I love it. I absolutely love this little purse gift card holder. So here's the second one. And then I love this one. It is so cute. Okay, let's look. So I added a little charm here, and I've had these little charms in my stash for quite some time. This is a little what is it called? Safety pin, little blinged out pink safety pin there. I just have a little heart, a little lollipop there, a little dewdrop there, and I just kind of got it hanging on to the handle there. This is also a silhouette file, guys. I know it. I'm telling you, I am loving using my die cut machines. You know, we have to dust them off, and so I put this cute little tag there. It has lots of little banners on it. I added a sticker out of the paper line, and then I added this cute little safety pin with the little heart there, and I just put a tag, and then just added some of this little fuzzy eyelet trim there to just kind of give it a little bit more. As you can see, I have some little pearls there. Just wanted to add just a little bit more. And again, I did not want to over embellish this at all, because like I said, the paper is so pretty. This says welcome home baby. And then I just added a sticker out of the collection. That paper came with a sheet of stickers, so yeah. All right, so this is also held together by some Velcro, and it opens up. And what this is a money holder. And I didn't have any cash to kind of demonstrate, guys, but you would stick the money in here if you wanted to give someone some money there. And I thought this was so cute. You just close it back up, close the Velcro up there. It is so pretty. So again, keeping in the same vein of just having some on-hand gift things when you have to send a monetary gift to someone, you can send it really cute and fun. So this is the back. Just added again. As you can see, look at those teddy bears, and those cute. So it has this little fun handle on it. I absolutely love how that turned out. So pretty. All right, and the last project that I created was this little box here. Again, cut it out of my silhouette. I feel like I'm just kind of repeating myself on that, but I did. I added that bow, that magnolia bow. I added a sticker there that says baby steps, and then you just open this up here, little Velcro, pull that out, and it just had a little pocket area here where you can add something there. So I just left it plain. I added this cute little pearl trim there. As you can see, it closes up, you know, really well. And I just made one little 3x3 card, added a sticker. This darling girl is heaven sent. Just added that paper there and provided a craft envelope to kind of go with the paper, because as you can see, it has those browns in it. And so I just added this now. If you had a crafter who actually was having a baby, you could put several of these in there. So this is kind of functional. There's lots of room there. I can add, you know, maybe some gift cards there or something like that to actually give to the mommy. So that is all of my projects for today, guys. So if you guys are not a subscriber, I would love to have you as part of the Sweet Papery Treasures family. So do hit that subscribe button below. And if you have not checked out my latest videos, I will have a link for you guys to check out my latest videos. Don't forget to check the description box. I would love for us to connect socially. So I will have all of my Instagram and information and contact information there below. Guys, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.